Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where would you like to go today?
I want to go to the city center, please.
Sure. Please get in.
Thank you.
Is this your first time in this city?
Yes, this is my first time.
Welcome. I hope you like it here.
Thank you. The city looks beautiful.
Yes, many people visit this city.
I understand why. The streets are very clean.
Yes, the city works hard to stay clean. Are you here for vacation or work?
I am here for vacation.
Nice. How long will you stay?
I will stay for 5 days.
That's a good amount of time. You can see many places.
Yes, I hope so.
Do you have a plan for today?
Not really. I just want to walk and explore.
That's a good idea. Walking is the best way to see the city. The weather is very nice today.
Yes, it is sunny and warm. I like it.
Yesterday was different. It was rainy and cold.
Really? I don't like rain when I travel.
Me too. Rain makes traffic very bad.
Yes, I can imagine.
Do you like warm weather or cold weather?
I like warm weather, but not too hot.
Same here. Hot days are difficult when I drive a taxi.
I understand. It must be uncomfortable.
In summer, this city gets very hot.
How hot does it get?
Sometimes 38 or even 40 degrees.
Wow, that is very hot.
Yes, in winter, it is the opposite. Very cold and sometimes snowy.
Interesting. Where I live, the winter is not very cold.
Do you have 4 seasons in your country?
Yes, but they are not very strong.
Here, the seasons are very strong.
I like that. It feels more natural.
Is the temperature in the car okay?
Yes, it's good. Maybe a little more air, please.
Sure. I will turn up the air conditioner.
Thank you.
Would you like some music?
Soft music is good.
Okay. I will play soft music. Have you tried local food here?
Not yet. Do you recommend something?
Yes. You should try the traditional soup.
What is the name?
It's called golden soup.
Sounds interesting.
It is very tasty and not spicy.
Great. I don't like spicy food.
Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am traveling alone this time.
Traveling alone is fun. You can do anything you want.
Exactly. I like the freedom.
Do you like museums?
Yes, I love museums.
The art museum here is very famous.
I want to visit it tomorrow.
Good idea. Go early because it gets crowded.
Thank you for the tip.
Do you want to buy souvenirs?
Yes, maybe for my family.
There is a big market near the city center.
What do they sell?
Handmade items, clothes, bags, and small gifts.
Great. I will go there later.
We are getting close to the city center.
Okay, thank you.
Do you want me to stop in a specific place?
Yes, near the big fountain, please.
Sure. I will stop there. Here we are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. The ride is $12.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.